These people don't do any research. They don't read. They don't want to write laws. They are busy registering companies to do business with government. It's deal and deal making. The first thing that we need to do is change the mind of 70% of the voter in Kenya who is in the rural area who still believe these people are a savior. We need to change them first to forget about tribalism and to reject money from politicians. It is true, I'm not lying. He said it even before he gave me the microphone. He said, come and tell us whether you're going to be like them. It is true, I'm being funded by Kenyans. I don't deny it. And in fact, if you invite me to church in the podium, I'll accept it. I am funded by Kenyans. Kenyans bought me a vehicle and a sound system, and I've been using it. I've used it proper, and I'll use it badly so. It is true that I've been funded. Why am I being funded by Kenyans? Because first, I'm limited. Mimi nilianza kutumia pesa yangu namaliza 1 week. And then I'll come back, we work together. We need to change something called campaign financing in Kenya. Because the culture of campaign financing in Kenya is that we expect money from politicians. We only want rich people to lead us. You see? That is why a governor who has done a corruption scandal at NYS gets elected at home. Another one is an MP in Rift Valley and a deputy speaker did corruption at the Judicial Service Commission. My own member of parliament at home alitoka kwa corruption scandal Kenya Ports Authority akachaguliwa kwa mbunge. Governor Kakamega, corruption scandal Ketrago, governor. Are we rewarding mediocrity? Yes. Because that's what we are doing. We need to change campaign financing. Because if a Rotarian here says, I'm inspired by the speech by Morara, I want to take leadership in our country, I've identified a place, mimi nitaenda huko ninang'ane na kina mama wenzangu ama kuna wazee wenzangu. How willing are Rotarians to support this person? You don't have to support them in cash. You can show up for them. You are a communications expert. You can come and join their team and work for free. You can be their security. Tukusindikize. Or you can tell them hapa ni home, mimi najua watu hapa vizuri, siku naenda nyumbani wacha mimi ndio nikutembeze. It is surely something you can do if you don't want to give them money. And you don't want to give them money, tell them to send you their design of the poster, go bring for them 5,000 posters in town, give to them. But support your own. Otherwise, there is no chance of leaders of integrity never getting a chance in this country because they don't have the money. They don't have the billions. These people have already stolen billions and are prepared for the next election. What do you have? What chance do you stand against them if you are not supported by the people? The reason I continue to accept donations and support from the Kenyan people is so that I can change the story. And I want to assure you that I will be a person of integrity and there is no end to the scandal. Because if I lose the trust of Kenyans, you will also lose the trust. Watasema kuna jamaa alikuwa anaitwa Morara alikuja hapa katudanganya the same way. You are telling us about something we've seen and heard. So Rotarians, it's your moment. Take it up. Thank you and God bless you.